Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Warzone Cronus Zen script on PS5, Xbox, and PC. Start by adjusting your controller settings. First, set your horizontal and vertical sensitivity between 6 and 8. Then, adjust the ADS sensitivity multiplier to around 0.80 to 0.90. Now, choose dynamic for the response curve and keep aim assist type at default. After that, set the dead zone minimum between 0.03 and 0.05 and the dead zone maximum between 0.90 and 0.99. Remember, lower dead zone allows faster micro adjustments and the dynamic curve gives smoother tracking. Next, focus on recoil control the legit way. Instead of using scripts, go to the firing range and shoot at the wall without trying to control recoil. Then, study the recoil pattern and practice pulling in the opposite direction manually. After that, repeat this practice for about 10 minutes daily. In just 1 week, you'll notice a huge improvement. If you are playing on PC, now optimize your system settings. Set render resolution to 100%, turn NVIDIA Reflex on and enable boost. Turn VSync off, turn motion blur off, set film grain to 0 and keep your field of view between 100 and 110. Don't go too high if you're struggling to track enemies. For PS5 or Xbox, enable 120Hz mode. Then turn on game mode on your TV. Next, use a wide control and turn off motion smoothing. These steps reduce input delay and improve gunfight performance. Now, give yourself an audio advantage. Boost high frequencies in your EQ, reduce the bass, and use stereo sound instead of surround. After that, lower your music volume so footsteps are easier to hear because in Warzone, hearing enemy footsteps can win fights. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.